and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at the construction of a floating dock using recycled plastic drums. The design had to meet a couple of criteria. I needed to be able to make this transportable, so I needed to build it in parts that I could construct on site. And secondly, I wanted to be able to make it robust and flexible enough so that it could survive a rocking motion on the dam. I built the dock much like you would build an old timber boat. There was a lot of movement available in the parts, and I relied on the timber joints themselves for the strength rather than nails or other fixing mechanisms. I was unsure of the final level of the dam, so I wanted to design a gangplank that was able to accommodate rise and fall in water level. A key element of the design was the gangplank, and you can see some detail of that here in the drawing and later in the actual construction. I built the dock at my home, which is 300 kilometres from the dam, and laid it out in my carport to ensure that all the parts fitted, and the next few shots are pictures of that dock in construction phase. And here you can see a few close-ups of the Gangplank Hinge and the mechanism which I employed. I used a combination of stainless steel eye bolts and galvanized eye bolts with some large bolts to connect the two together, as shown in these photographs. At the dam site, I reconstructed the floating dock, and I used the gangplank as the platform to build the dock on whilst I was waiting to launch it. I included galvanized brackets on each of the corners because I knew that I was going to have to lift the dock with the tractor, and I didn't want it pulling apart at this stage. Once elevated using the tractor, it was a simple matter of attaching the drums with ropes to the bottom of the floating dock. Using a long snatch strap and some other planks of wood, we carefully lowered the floating dock down into the dam. Once in the water, we then started putting the planks onto the floating dock. That was enough for the day, and as always at Willieabra, a beautiful sunset. The following day, we added additional planks to the dock and finished off the gangplank. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed that video. There are more videos in this series in the links below. See you next time. Bye for now.